You need to understand, so what you are initially going to protect your brand in relation to. So, as I said, you choose your classes of goods and services and you pay your initial registration fee for that scope. And as you go along, you're allowed to amend your application and widen the class of goods and services. You can widen as your brand grows. But if you are seen to simply be choosing classes of goods and services that you are not actually using, simply as some sort of attempt to prevent other people from using the name, that similar name, that can actually be a violation, But if you actually aren't trading in that service, then what's the point? Because it just would be an unfair competition sort of landscape and scenario. So you can't just prevent people blindly. You actually have to have a business in relation to what you are saying you want to protect.